Let's get started. First, we're gonna start out with some onion and garlic. You could even dice it if you choose to. And then with the garlic, you're gonna just slice it into about 2 to 4 pieces. We don't need it too small because we need the flavor to stay, to sink in with the crab. You have the black pepper, curry, most important, geera, salt, coconut milk, and the crab. We'll pour oil into the pot. Then we will add some onions. Then some garlic. We will leave it until it gets all brown and let this oil sink in real good. And afterwards we will add the crab. Add the crab, and then we will add the curry powder, the geera, a little bit of black pepper, and just a little bit of salt. Then we're gonna stir it up. Now we're gonna add coconut milk and water. And stir it a bit. Just leave it there and let it cook. Then cover it for about an half an hour or 20 minutes. Next up is the potato. In my opinion, potato is a great addition to any curry. The reason why I prefer to cut it this big is to prevent it from being cooked too fast. But everyone have their own preference. Alright, now let's check this out. Come. Yeah, this is how it should be looking. So here's the finishing touch. Thank you all for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.